Dive into the pages of the #1 bestseller on Amazon, tailored specifically for the Jharkhand High Court Assistant exam. Discover 21 meticulously crafted essays and comprehensive guidance that align perfectly with the exam's requirements. This isn't just a book, it's your ticket to success. Ever wondered what makes a study guide truly effective? Let's delve into the heart of the Jharkhand High Court Assistant Exam Important Essays, Volume 1. This isn't just any book. It features 21 essays that are perfectly tailored to the syllabus of the Jharkhand High Court Assistant Exam. Imagine exploring in-depth topics like criminal justice reforms in Jharkhand and understanding the pivotal role of alternative dispute resolution in Jharkhand. But there's more. The book doesn't just list topics, it teaches you how to structure your essays, provides model essays for better understanding, offers subject-specific insights, and includes practice exercises to test your knowledge. With each page, you gain knowledge and confidence. But it's not just about what you read, it's about how you use it. This book goes beyond providing content. It's a tool that guides you on how to assimilate and retain information effectively. It's meticulously designed with structured guidance and practical exercises to enhance your understanding. It's not just about passing the exam, it's about gaining a thorough understanding of the topics. The book's content doesn't just prepare you for the exam, it equips you for practical application. Transform your preparation with strategies that work. Ready to take the leap towards securing your future? The path to excelling in the Jharkhand High Court Assistant exam is clearer than ever. This isn't just another study guide. It's your strategic advantage tailored to the specifics of the exam. With 21 key essays and invaluable practice exercises, success is not just a possibility, it's within reach. Make sure to use the link in the description to secure your copy. Click the link, grab your copy, and start your journey to success today.